In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install, switch, and customize Ghost themes. By the end, you'll know how to add a new theme to your site, switch between themes you've already installed, and make simple visual tweaks without touching your theme files. Start by opening your browser and searching for Ghost CMS. From there, head to your Ghost admin and log in. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the dashboard. If not, enter your credentials and continue. This gives you access to everything you need to manage your site's design safely. To install a new theme, open the sidebar and go to Settings, then choose Design. On the Design page, look for the Themes area. Click Change Theme, and then choose Upload Theme. You can drag and drop your theme's .zip file right into the upload area, or click to browse and select it from your computer. Make sure you're uploading the .zip as provided by the theme author. Don't unzip it first. After the upload completes, you'll see a confirmation. You can activate it right away with Activate Now, or close the window and keep it in your library for later. If you're unsure how it will look, it's perfectly fine to wait and activate when you're ready. Switching between installed themes is just as easy and happens in the same place. Still on the Themes page, scroll down to the Installed Themes section. You'll see every theme you've uploaded. Find the one you want and click Activate next to it. Ghost will immediately switch your live site to that theme. Refresh your site in a new tab to confirm everything looks as expected. If something seems off, you can switch back just as quickly. For light customization without editing theme files, use Code Injection. In your Ghost admin, go to Settings, then Code Injection. In the site header field, add your custom CSS. This is great for small tweaks like colors, fonts, or spacing. For example, many themes honor an accent color variable, so you can set a new brand color by defining it here, using your preferred hex code. Keep changes focused and test one tweak at a time so it's easy to trace results. When you're done, click Save to apply the changes. If you don't see updates immediately, hard refresh your browser or check on another device. The nice part is that these changes are non-destructive. Remove the CSS from Code Injection to roll back instantly. That's it. You've installed a theme, switched between themes, and applied safe, simple customizations to make your Ghost site feel on brand.